In Excel, Quick Analysis takes a range of data and helps you pick the perfect chart with just a few click commands. To do so, select your table. The Quick Analysis panel will appear on the right. In the bottom, click on it. Hover over Chart and click on it. Choose or hover over the options to select which charts you want. If none of them is suitable for you, click on More. Click on All Charts option and navigate through to find the best option for you. Once you have found the option which you want, click on it and click OK. To rename your chart, just click on the title option and rename it. To add a trend line, click on the Quick Analysis button or chart elements. Click trend line, choose one of the items and click OK. Click on the line of trend or trend line and select Format Trend Line and choose what is the most suitable one for you. Once done, click anywhere else and your options will be visible. And if you are good to go with it, just Ctrl S to save your changes.